My name is Donnai Black, proud Jamaican owner of DonCreatives. This is where I create handmade craft items for your home decor and for your loved ones, gift souvenirs, and special celebrations. What you'll do as a customer, you'll tell me your design. So what is it that you'd want on the board? And I would then put it in my little book, sketch it for myself so I can just have a little thing to look back on. So when I'm drawing it on the board, I know what exactly I am drawing. So here are just some samples of what I have done before. Yep. After now, you'll tell me the colors that you'd like for the board itself, which is the background, and then for the thread. It could be you'd want one straight color, or you could have two colors, and you'll tell me how you'd like it. Sometimes customers will challenge me to say, you do this, you think of something, because I'm not sure, and then I'll just try my best. Satisfy the customer as best as I can. Price varies from small to large, so small boards are for 1300, medium boards 1500, like this one, and a large board, and this one, and large boards are for 2500 to 3500. 3500 boards are for boards for sentences, so for example, like, I love you mom, he is the best dad, and so on. If you're interested in purchasing, please DM me at DonCreatives _ on Instagram, and we'll move on from there. Thank you for shopping. Ariman.